Ugh. Decisions. Okay, that really wasn't easy. Making the decision on where my bathroom's gonna be and how my kitchen's gonna lay out and which end I want my sleeping loft on, it's something I thought about for 2 years, and making that decision knowing it's gonna be 100% and I'm gonna be stuck living in it, it's pretty hard. We did get some things accomplished. So now that we kind of have a scale drawing on where things are gonna go and how I want the layout to be, we can kind of start construction.